So I made this custom frame for the wheel animation. Now I have this frame. What am I going to do with it now? So I had to start thinking, and all of a sudden I was like, hey, let's manipulate the pieces around and make a cool little pattern out of it and turn it into something. And this is what I got. Let's head over to Canva and I'll show you how I did that. So I guess you could say this isn't really a tutorial, it's more of a repurpose. So what we're going to do is repurpose this frame that I gave y'all in the wheel animation video. I will leave the link up here. If you don't have this template, it's free. It's down in the description. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that off. And then all you're really going to do is start manipulating your pieces however you want to make your design go. So if you're trying to make a certain kind of path with them, you're just going to start doing that and making your path any way you want to go. You want to go zigzaggy, anything like that. I had this and I was like, you know what? It's a shame. What else can I do with this besides what it is? What else can I make out of this frame, custom frame that I made? You make it, and if it's a one and done thing, then you have this frame sitting around. What are you gonna do with it? So I was like, all right, let me see what I can do with it. So you can kind of make it look like a game board. It's a path. It's whatever you want to make it into, and then you're just gonna manipulate them and make whatever kind of design you want to out of it. So we're just going to do a few pieces because this is really your imagination of how you want to lay out your pieces and make them go. But that's all you're going to do is you're going to just start snaking them around and doing that. And then what you're going to do after that, we'll get to the animation part. And then when you got them all lined up and pretty and you need more pieces, just go into position, grab one, duplicate it, make you some more pieces, go, burr, 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 I need some more pieces, and just keep doing the same thing. And just keep moving them around. Make another uh, one coming around like I did in the other one, and go down to the bottom, come back out through the top. So what we're going to do now is just grab some photos. You're going to grab your photos. You're going to grab whatever you're going to use, put them in. You're going to orient them the way you want to, so they see in there. So like on his face, so I do that. So you're going to do the orientation and everything in there. So you're just going to grab photos, get in one of those, and then you're going to fix the orientation, to match whatever you want to do. If you want to have the coffee cup that way, if you want to have the coffee cup this way, that's up to you. So, and then you're going to do that, and you're going to fill all of them, whatever your pattern is. If it's a small pattern where you might want to do like a little snake on the side with your information or whatever, if you're doing some kind of advertisement and you just want this kind of like as a photo edge border, maybe, yeah. Limitless, whatever your imagination can do. So we're going to move these over there because we're just making a baby one for the moment. So what I'm going to do now, because I want them to come in, I'm going to take these and then I'm going to make them invisible. Oh, I got to make him invisible. Go invisible. So then you're going to make them invisible, and then you can have like your start page right here with some text or whatever. And then what you can do is you're going to duplicate the page. There's some match and move from the wheel, so you might want to change that. You might want to keep it the same. That's going to be up to you how fast you want them to come in. And then all you're going to do is go up here and grab your first one at the top, and then you're going to do the transparency up on that, and then you're going to duplicate the page. You're going to do the next one. Pretty simple, right? Just really easy repurposing of this project, these frames here. And I'm going to duplicate the page, and I'm just going to do that all the way through. That's all I'm going to do. Somebody said something about a board game. Yes, I think you could do a board game, possibly. If I would do it in presentation mode, if I was going to do a board game, and what I would do is maybe say I would keep a little cheat sheet with me and say, all right, pick a number from 1 to 5, or question number 7, and this would be frame number 7, but it probably would be page number 8, maybe, possibly. And there we go. Here's the question, and they said the answer is an animal or something like that, and then you click on the page that your presentation is, and you just bring up that, and then you'll go, okay, that's what it is. Let's see. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Just thinking outside the box. Something like that could happen. I don't know. You might have to do a little bit more work on it. But in reality, that's all this is to it. It's a real quick repurposing of this frame. It's just something fun you can do. You can make all kinds of crazy patterns out of it. You can make loop-de-loops and all kinds of stuff. So that's how you do that. That's how I did that. And I thank you guys for stopping by. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.